Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina. In today's video, we are going to discuss the top 9 courses that you can do to use doctor as a prefix with your name. Every other student in 12th Science aspires or dreams to become a doctor. But sometimes you may not really crack NEET or may lose hope because you could not take admission to MBBS. Overall, there are total 9 courses that you can do including MBBS which can give you a medical degree, and each one of them is as important as MBBS. Admission to most of these courses is through NEET and merit of class 12. However, you should have physics, chemistry and biology as your major subjects in 12th standard. So let us discuss these courses one by one. Let us start with MBBS. So as we all know, MBBS is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. So MBBS is not just the most popular medical course, but it is also one of the most preferred courses among the science aspirants after passing 12th. Students who aspire to become surgeons will have to take up this course before pursuing any other degree concerned to their specialization. The duration of this particular course is 5.5 years. But as you all know, it is very difficult to get admissions to MBBS. We are going to also discuss the other courses through which you can also become a doctor. The next course that we are going to discuss is BDS, that is Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Candidates who aspire to follow the career path of dentistry take up this course. BDS is a foundation course for those who want to become practicing dentists or dental surgeons. The duration of this course is, however, 4.5 years only, and the entrance is through NEET. The next course that we are going to discuss is BAMS, that is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine Surgery. As we all know, Ayurveda was born in India, and that is one of the reasons that it is very popular among the Indian residents. Ayurveda is quite popular and many of the medical aspirants take up BAMS course, especially after the government started promoting Ayush and its benefits. To become an Ayurvedic practitioner, you have to know Sanskrit to a certain extent. The duration of this course is 5.5 years and the entrance is through NEET. The next course that we are going to discuss is my favorite, that is BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. Since homeopathic medicine is also quite popular in India, people are pursuing BHMS and it is a good proposition for candidates who seek career in medical field. This course helps students to heal patients by changing their surrounding in the natural and adaptable manner. So, as you all know, this is a homeopathic channel and you are watching Homeopathy World, and I am Dr. Samina who have done BHMS and MD as well. So I am a homeopath. I am always going to promote homeopathy. So homeopathy is one of the best career options that you can take up in your medical field. As you all know that it is quite popular and it is going to be more popular in the coming days. So if you have come across my channel just now and you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you get BHMS updates regularly. So the next course that we are going to talk about is BUMS, that is Bachelor in Unani Medicine and Surgery. This course comprises subjects that teach the student about Unani medicine that has originated from the Greek culture, and it is also quite popular in southern part of Asia. So these graduates are generally known as Hakims, and the only drawback of this course is that you have to understand certain elements of Urdu to do this course. The duration of this course is also 5.5 years, and the duration of the BHMS course was also 5.5 years, by the way. So the next course is BNYS, that is Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences. Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences is a field of medicine that enables the body to heal itself with certain natural mechanisms without the use of allopathic medicines. So students in this particular branch learn about the methods and mechanisms in this course. The duration of this course is also 5.5 years, and again after doing this course you become a doctor. The entrance exam is generally they either through NEET entrance or they have a merit of class 12. Okay, so both the possibilities are still available. Moving on to the next course that you can do is Bachelor of Siddha Medicine and Surgery. Again, this is a 5.5-year course, but that is very popular in Tamil Nadu only. So mostly the residents of Tamil Nadu are doing this. If you want to do this course, you have to inquire about it. I don't know much about this course. So moving on to the next one. The next course is BVSC and AH. That is Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Health. If you are a medical student and want to pursue courses in order to help or treat animals, or if you love pets, then BVSC and AH is an ideal course for you. After passing this course, a candidate can practice as a formal veterinarian and prescribe medicines for animals or pets. The duration for this course is 5.5 years and the admissions is through NEET. Our next course is BPT, that is Bachelor of Physiotherapy. With the high demand of physiotherapists and the demand of BPT courses rising, it helps to treat the muscular spasms and recovery from muscle injuries or any other orthopedic and neuro injuries also. BPT graduates can make career from themselves in urban areas only. So they cannot practice in rural areas because people do not know much about physiotherapy in rural areas. Physiotherapists have become very popular in metropolitan cities as the residents rely on them to ease their high-level stress. The duration of this course is 4.5 years and entrance is through NEET and various other entrances of state level and deemed universities. So we have discussed overall 9 courses, out of which 5 belong to the Ayush faculty or the Ayush medicine. That is BAMS, BUMS, BHMS, BNYS and BSMS. Physiotherapy, veterinary science are also other branches which you can do to get a doctor degree. So that was all about in today's video. If you like our channel, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. And also you can ask me any questions regarding any of these courses. I will make sure that I answer these questions as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.